Hello, I am Lakshmikant. Gastric bypass. It's a gold standard in bariatric surgery. What is gastric bypass? This is a surgery which is done to lose weight, and it's one of an important procedure in bariatric surgery. So what do we do in bariatric surgery? What is gastric bypass? So this is basically a malabsorptive procedure wherein not only we are reducing the size of the stomach, but we also create a malabsorption. So what is malabsorption? Whenever you're taking food, our food has to enter into the stomach, duodenum, jejunum, and it has to come down into small intestines and goes to large colon. In bypass, we are actually bypassing the food directly into jejunum, wherein we are avoiding the food entry into the stomach and the duodenum. That's called as gastric bypass. So what do we do actually? We reduce the size of the stomach and we create a Roux-en-Y loop. What is a Roux-en-Y loop? We resect the small bowel, we bring the small bowel and anastomose directly to the small gastric pouch. So this pouch not only restricts the food, but because of this long loop, the intestinal juices which are coming from the liver, pancreas, they join with the food at a long distance. So wherein because of this we create a malabsorption. So why do we create a malabsorption? Is basically whenever an obese individual takes food, the absorption pattern, everything is modified so that they can lose weight in a healthy manner. So this bypass is not only a restrictive procedure because of a small stomach, but also a malabsorptive procedure because the juices and the food, they join at a long distance from where they are taken and where they are produced, so that we are creating a malabsorption. Because bypass is a malabsorptive procedure, we need to take supplements, and nutritional assessment is very important annually so that you can lead a very normal life. Gastric bypass has a long period of weight loss and weight loss maintenance. Only thing is, you need to understand, because it's a malabsorptive procedure, we need to assess your nutritional compositions like your calcium levels, iron levels, folic acid levels and B12 levels, and correct them every year so that you don't go into any disturbances which occur because of this malabsorption. Thank you.